In this video, I will show you how to use the Monopod and this mounting bracket for your cell phone on the Samsung J3. Now let's get started. Make sure you stick around at the end. We're going to have on-field review. So I'm going to walk around and show you how I do all this. But first, let's get things out of the way first. This is the price. So the mount holder clamp, $6.95. Alright, so it's by itself, it doesn't come together. It's gonna get this on Amazon, $6.95. That's the price for this one. Alright, that's the clamp by itself. Now the Monopod selfie stick, $6.99. Alright, so let's get started. Now this Monopod has this thread up here, and you're gonna connect this directly into the clamp. You're going to screw it in just like that. Alright, so here we go. Now it's fully connected, right? And the cool thing about it is, if you turn this dial, you undo it, you're going to be able to move it around like this. Right? Back and forth. That far. It's very nice. It is a plain monopod, so there's no other buttons. It's made out of steel. This is a rubber part. It's very robust. Now, let me show you how you put your phone in here. So let's lock this so it doesn't move. And this part, as you can see, has a spring in it. And this is where you're going to put your phone in. Now you see this rubber part is to protect the top of your phone. And at the bottom, it has this felt part. This is also to protect your phone. Now let's check it out. So if you were ready to film and you had your camera ready, you had your location and everything ready to go, you put it in just like this. Alright, so if you were filming, you're doing a vlog or you're doing a selfie, you put it in just like that. And if you need to turn it, you can just flip it over like this. And if you're walking, you can hold it just like this. You can also turn it around. And if you want to point it in the other direction so you're not filming yourself and you're filming the field, you turn it around just like this. Okay? So now, if you want to take your phone off, all you have to do is lift up the clamp slightly and just pull off the phone just like this. And that's it. That's exactly how you use it. So here's another tip for you guys if you want to check this out. Now at the bottom, you see it has a thread so you can actually put it on another tripod if you have another tripod, or and any other tripod would fit. For instance, we're going to use this little tiny one. Now this is separate. You can buy this separate. Yeah, I believe these cost like $5 too on Amazon. So if you have this, now you can stick it in here, and then you can also stabilize it and have it further up like this. So now you have a stable monopod that you can use. You can turn this in any direction that you want. And not only that, it extends out. So let me show you how far it extends out. So this is very nice. Obviously I won't be able to show you the full length. You're not going to be able to see it on the one angle of the camera, but if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll take this out on the field and you can see, I'll show you a demonstration on how you can use it. See how far it goes out. So I'm going to try to show it on the sports camera. And that part swivels. Let me turn it around so you can see this part here. Now I'm going to move it over this way so you can see how long it actually is. So it's approximately 3.5 feet. And with this, you're adding an extra foot, so it's about 4 feet worth of length. So if you want to hold your phone out and film from high up above, you can definitely do that. It's a very stable method that works perfectly. So that's an extra tip. Obviously, it doesn't come with this part. This is separate, but you can use any other tripod. You can use this and then mount it on there, or you can just mount it on. If you have something else like a more sturdier tripod, you can mount it on, which you see the thread right there. You can mount different cameras on this monopod as well, because this strut is universal and it fits, but this demonstration is specific to the phone, the Samsung, or any phone, iPhone, whichever phone you want to use. So 2 separate items. Now removing it. Now the only downside to this is that earlier today when I was using it, this little piece came off here on the top, so I'm not sure why that is. Obviously it's not coming off now, but when I was attempting to remove it earlier, this little part here, this piece here actually came loose a little bit. It's not a deal breaker, but it was kind of a downer. It didn't mess it up or anything like that, but so there it is, guys. This is the monopod. Now we're gonna go to the field and we're actually gonna watch some footage from the use of this phone with this monopod. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Hope you guys liked the review. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You already saw the prices, $6.99, $6.95, so very affordable. I'll have the Amazon links in the description. Thank you so much for your support. I'll be looking forward to your feedback. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. First footage. This is going to be handheld. Cell phone is handheld. And we're walking. So I'm going to get up right now and walk. We're going to test it out. We're going to walk ahead. I'm going to try to hold it as steady as possible. Walking this way, holding with my hand. I'm going to turn around and walk back. Walking back now. Walking back, walking back. And that's handheld. Now this is with the monopod. And I'm going to hold it as steady as I can. And I'm going to get up and walk. Here we go. Holding as steady as I can. Looking at the E camera, and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to walk, and I'm going to hold it as steady as I can. I'm going to lift it. I'm going to walk. Walking now, testing. I'm walking, and I'm going to turn around slowly, still panning. And I'm going to head back towards the E camera. Okay. All right. Now we're going to do another test. It's another test. Now we're going to extend out the monopod, and you can twist this, so we're gonna twist it that far. We're gonna extend this out as far as you can. So now we're in like typical selfie mode. Okay, so now we're gonna do another test. Look how far out it is now. We're gonna extend. Let me extend that out even more. Let's extend it out as far as it can. Right. Alright, here we go. Test number 3, selfie stick mode. Now, looking at the E camera, so how far the stick goes, and then we're going to walk back, and we're going to walk this way, holding it as steady as I can. Then we're going to walk this way. I'm going to turn around, go back. I'm going to head back this way towards the E camera. Head back, and that's it. Let's extend it out. Okay.